Welcome back to Bakes Foods. In this episode, we're back to the lake and making the best pork chop recipe we've ever made. Stuffed pork chop roast. We start with some pork shoulder chops, a little fattier cut. It's going to be perfect for our roast. Ideally, we would use a Dutch oven, but we forgot that, as well as chairs, so we're using a cast iron pan with a nice roaster lid. But I would definitely recommend using the Dutch oven. That way you can kind of lower the heat and put some coals over the top. So for our ingredients, we've got some tomatoes, onions, garlic, jalapenos, some rosemary, and mushrooms. And we're going to stuff all of those except for the mushroom between the layers. We'll layer that pork and season it. While our pan's preheating, we're just going to cut up our ingredients just in nice slices. That way we can put them between the layers. With our pan preheated, we'll begin stacking. So each layer will season our chop. We use seasoning salt, but you could use salt and pepper or your favorite pork seasoning. And then we just start putting our ingredients between them. Now you don't have to use jalapenos if you don't like spice too much, but even with the amount we used, I found it wasn't very spicy. It just added a really good flavor. And jalapenos are very healthy, so that's a bonus.
Yeah, you're like an artist.
Oh. If that is art, I would gladly be an artist.
Oh man, that is getting so tall. I hope it stays together for us.
I do too.
I see you're going, so we're just going to take this off to the side a little bit and let it slow cook. You hear that? That butter in there, that's drool in here.
Pretty much our motto.
So
It's gonna be
that
good.
one's super tender. Now we'll get some butter on the other side. I don't know, is there gonna be room for our mushrooms?
There's gonna definitely be room.
We're gonna make room.
Definitely gonna be room for mushrooms. Jake had this idea and I kind of denied it, but
What did I do?
the liquid was gonna be great.
Yeah, you know, it might have been, but we didn't do it.
Oh,
because
he's
we were
got
watching
this.
the game. So we're gonna get these out of the way, right? I'm just gonna pop mushroom in there. Boom, 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 boom.
Who doesn't love mushrooms?
I'm gonna put that on top of the mushrooms. Right, then we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna get this guy. This guy's actually really tender. We'll get mushrooms on this side too. And then that butter, all that juicy goodness. So we're just gonna put this lid on for another, I don't know, maybe another 30 minutes, 45 minutes. That's just gonna all soak into there. The mushrooms will be nice and sauteed. Dig in.
This is gonna be good.
It's gonna be good. All right, guys. This is gonna be good.
Oh wow.
Pat, on a level of 7 to 4, how excited are you?
7 to 4, it's got to be a 8. It's gonna be good.
It's gonna be good. That's all you need to know. Bendy spoon, you know.
Mind blown.